Hello Jazzies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go through an order I received from one of my favorite vendors, Annie Beads. So we're going to do a little unboxing. Got my little knife from Temu. Let this open, and it's really sharp. I get so excited for the fancy stuff. Pretty. So I'm going to take all of these out the bag. We're going to go through them. This was one of the Instagram live sales that she did recently. Let me clean my hands with a little sanitizer. Get my hands clean. They pretty. So these are the lava rocks I ordered. These are the black lava rocks and the white lava rocks. You know, lava rocks are good to put your essential oil on, for you can have and just, you know, have it all day as a reminder. You can use different types of oils for self-love, for calming. Just put like a dab on there, and then you can freshen it up anytime you need to. So I got 2 white and 2 black. Cool. So go to the side. And these are ones I was like really like, oh, these are super cool. They're copper colored teardrop lava beads, right? Ain't they cute? I'm like, oh wow, that'll go real good as an earring, as a charm, any like drop that you need. And I also got them in gold. Aren't they pretty? Wow, I like those. All right, next, let's see. I do the full examination when I get everything sorted out. Everything, I can put them all up together. Oh wow, those are pretty. Wow, those are really gorgeous. These are beige Howlite. Aren't they pretty? They faceted. See that sparkle on there? Oh yeah, I'm gonna next. These are gorgeous. Gorgeous, y'all. Gorgeous. This is faceted pyrite. So you know pyrite is good for prosperity and money. So get you some pyrite. Alright. These are pretty. They're super pretty. Oh, I like the color of those. I'm sorry, jumping ahead. I got a little excited. I like the color of the green. Yes, aren't those pretty? And they're sparkly too. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Look at that green on there. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so in love. This is the azurite. So I got some blue green azurite. Isn't it gorgeous? Yeah, they're really, really pretty. And we got the green aventurine, 6mm. I was like, I don't have a lot of the small beads, so I saw these. I was like, you know, green aventurine is definitely good for abundance, prosperity. So that's really a good gemstone to have. Super pretty. Oh, wow. Look at those. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't think the light is doing it any justice. And I believe that these are the watermelon jade. I think so. I'm gonna have to double check, but aren't they pretty? See the flash on there, the flash? Super pretty, super pretty. Yeah, and I got like 2 of those, so it was really gorgeous. And those are the same one as the first one. I don't want to lose a bead. It's a loose bead here. All right. Oh, cool. Now we got the ruby quartz. Ruby quartz. You know, ruby is my birthstone. Cancers. It's really pretty. It's not the real ruby. It is a quartz. It's a dye material, dye quartz, but it's really, really gorgeous. This is the Freeform Moonstone. I really, really like this. That's like, oh wow, I like unique, different shaped gemstones that can work in any design. Necklace, earrings, bracelets, it doesn't matter. They're really pretty. And these are gorgeous. Look at the nuggets. They're rudalized quartz. Rutilated quartz, excuse me. Rutilated quartz. I like the nugget shape. They make good rings. Very pretty. And who can say that these aren't cute? Labradorite. Oh, so pretty. Oh, yeah, I had to get those. All right. We down to the last bag. If I can open them. Ooh. The girl definitely loves her rose quartz. Everybody, not just females, guys. I know that it's pink, but pink is okay. It's a light pink, is fine. But you definitely need some rose quartz in your life. This is for the self-love, to bring that love that you need in your life. We all need it. We all want it. Aren't they gorgeous? This is faceted and these are the round. So pretty. And here are my carnelian. Last but not least. Oh, they're so gorgeous. And they are the 12 millimeter. Yes, beautiful. I love that orange. So gorgeous. But yeah, well, that is my unboxing. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And you all have a wonderful, blessed day.